Fatigue Tester is a precision testing machine used to evaluate the durability of PU foam under repeated shear stress, simulating real-life usage with digital controls, automatic cycle counting. Compliance with international standards like IS, ASTM and ISO. These standards ensure that foam materials maintain performance over time under repeated mechanical stress. Helping evaluate longevity, comfort, and safety in products like mattresses, cushions, automotive seating, and more. For more information, visit our website or contact us today.